am a Stereotypes. See no, fear not. TMG, are you there, my fella? Hello. Teamwork makes the dream work. Katishande pangwe senyuchi. Panoti you and me. Dipo panoti unity. Kana tikabatirana. Tose tobudirira. Shekukatirana. Shakasara.
Hello, good people. Welcome to the Youth Voice, a program brought to you by BAZ, Big Association of Zimbabwe. So today we are at the youth community where we're witnessing a beautiful initiative by Tonganyika Trust where people are being empowered by life developing skills. I'm your host, Yvonne Mchenja. Hi Mkoma, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay, what is your name?
Nyasha Chiminya.
Okay, so Nyasha Chiminya, and I will not see you're part of this beautiful initiative. So that's so bad. So which courses are you doing specifically?
I'm doing Hotel and Catering ICT.
ICT. Okay, so how have you been so far and how has it been going?
It has been going actually okay. From the way I thought it would be, it's actually much better.
What are you thinking?
I was thinking like it would be just some random courses, but then it's a life-changing opportunity.
Okay, so with the skills that you're being empowered with, what do you think, like what do you intend to use them for? Do you intend to find opportunities like employment, or you want to start something of your own?
I haven't actually thought much about it, but I think I'm gonna start my own thing just to for employment, go for employment.
Okay, so from when you have started to where you are right now, what change do you see? Did you see change? How is it impacting on your life?
It has impacted positively in my life because like there's these ideas that I'm now thinking about that I have never thought of, especially in Hotel and Catering. I didn't know how to cook, but I'm seeing that now I can cook.
Okay.
Like these specific dishes that I think is very important.
Okay. So there are people out there who find that you can say weird for a guy to be in cooking industry or doing hotel and catering. What do you have to say to them?
Nah, it's not weird. It's very important because pane zvimwe zvekuti zvichazoda kubika.
Yes, that's true.
So you have to learn.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
Eat good.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so few words to people who are out there who just encourage them and tell them a little bit about this beautiful initiative that you have already experienced so far.
Okay, so to the people out there that are doubting this program, it's very helpful. It's very empowering and helpful, and you must definitely try it out because it's very good. I have been moved, I've been empowered, so they must try it.
Okay.
That's my advice to it.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that was it from Nyasha, who is part of the program. Thank you.